Let's get ready for the jumbo. First possession, jersey number 28, Mars in the basket is good. Sevilla. That's good. Jersey number 29, Sario. Back to Sevilla. 40 to shoot. Matapigan. Here comes Sevilla. Laser. Sablay. Rebound by Garcia. Pass to jersey number 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 1, jersey number 28, jersey number 3, Black. 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
EJ!
Number 29, Sablay.
Sayang, bakit nagmamadali na naman sila?
Jersey number 12, almost still. Jersey number 6 ngayon. Jersey number 6, puts up to Sablay.
Nagmamadali
Jersey
sila.
number 29.
EJ, ma'am. Ah! Ay! Bakit?
Matapigan. Here comes Garcia. Cosmos layup in the basket is good.
Mali yung tinitignan mo. Nandito yung kabila eh. EJ! Ah!
Sevilla. Sevilla.
Ay!
That is a foul. Foul jersey number 1. That's your first personal foul. First team foul.
Natatawa na naman ako sa laro.
2 shots para kay Sevilla.
Hindi nakapansinan.
First row Sablay, second row jumper Sulali.
Ah! Maling akala yun.
Jersey number 6 to jersey number 12.
Ay!
Jersey number... That's your first personal foul. First team foul. Jersey number 12, almost still, ball out of bounds. Symbol.
Pag-untam gamin.
Jersey number 12. Pass to
Ay,
Garcia. Garcia to jersey number 12, Viernes, for 10 to shoot. Jersey number 1, Sablay.
EJ!
1 minute, 7 remaining. Jersey number 12, Sablay. Rebound by Sevilla.
Yeah, baba! Out of bounds.
No urban basketball.
Kain ka ba lang?
Official score 4 down to 3 in favor of Team Centro.
4 kunyada, di favor da.
Villa.
Ba't ang labo?
Castro. JC number 3. Jumper. Sablay. Ball out of bounds. JC number 6. 3 minutes. Time remaining. JC number 28. Pass to Viernes. JC number 6. Sablay.
Ay!
Tiga ng bola.
Ah!
Parang jersey number 29. That's your first personal foul. Time out. Centro.
Oh! Oh! Kapag nagpapakoto.
First period. With time remaining 2 minutes and 20. Viernes. Long Sablay. Tabi ka ng bola. Sevilla saves the ball. Bola rebounds.
Simbo.
Viernes. Biyernes mid-range jumper, Sablay. Foul on jersey number 28. That's your first personal foul. First team foul.
EJ!
Uy, bola, baba!
Baba muna, baba.
Jersey number 13, pass to jersey number 29. Jersey number 39. Ball out of bounds. Signal.
Symbol nga, symbol.
Labas naman, labas!
Labas mo.
Dito!
Hindi yun, nandun yung ano, retire.
2 minutes time. Jersey number 12, pass to Sevilla.
Ba't natatawa ako doon?
Rebound by Biyernes.
Oh, jabol!
There's a foul. Foul jersey number
Taka naman na
12.
pagpagpan pa lang, magkawak pa lang.
That's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 1. Traveling violation.
Bola! Ay,
Sario. Castro Churoy.
ay, labas, labas. Labas.
Jersey number 6, Sevilla. Jersey number 1.
Ay, labas na kayo dyan.
Pass to Sevilla.
Sabihin mo, te.
Sevilla, floater, 2 points. 1 minute time remaining.
dapat yun. 5 na nga. Bakit hindi wonder yung looban?
Jersey number 29. Pass to jersey number 12.
5 na yan.
Score. 6 down to 5 in favor of Centro.
5 na kunada.
6 down to 5. 30 seconds.
Ang hirap mag-video eh.
Biyernes for position. Ball out of bounds. Sebo, 22 seconds. Time remaining 22 seconds. Time to shoot. Shot clock 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Oh, 10 seconds. Ay.
Love mo sa Blay. Jersey number 3.
Yay!
Sako.
Shoot mo!
But there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 3. 6 seconds. Time remaining 6 seconds. And that's the end of our first period. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 20. Sevilla. Sevilla. Lakers. Sablay. Bola. 7 minutes and 30 seconds to the evaluation.
Walang score. Bulan nyo daw. Ay, alis ka dyan. Umusog ka dyan, boy. Alis ka dyan, Ning. Ay, balong.
Jersey number 20, Garcia. Pass inside, Diego, 2 points. Saura pass to jersey number 29. Jersey number 3, Sablay. Jersey number 1. Pass inside. Viernes. Isabi on the line. Balino ko pala yung mata mo. Resuli atong. Jersey number 29. Sario, five. Boy! Sevilla, Basur. Viernes.
Uy!
Viernes. Puts up to Sablay. Jersey number 28 points.
On.
Official score, deadlock 10. Jersey number 2. Viernes, Basur. Sevilla. Jersey number 2 points. Jersey number 29, Justin Diwale. Jersey number 30, Sablay.
Wala.
Jersey number 1 yun. Basur. Garcia. 4 minutes, time remaining. That goes a foul. Foul on jersey number 2.
Mayor.
Substitution rep. Time out. Nooban. 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Ball and bounce. Sablay. Kapika ng bola. Ball and bounce. Last touch. Jersey number 12. Shot clock 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Garcia. Guys in the middle. Offensive foul. Defensive foul, jersey number 28. Jersey number 29. Pass to Sevilla. The Bulls back. Sablay. Rebound by Garcia. Back to the foul. Foul on jersey number 2. A 12 brother. That's your third personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution rep.
Naprada daw.
Number 12 out.
Pagod na si Reben. Pahinga muna, Reben. Palitan, tanggalin mo yung gamit mo sa ilalim.
Garcia, pass to Sevilla. Sevilla, pass to Janet. Janet using the body, but there's a foul. Foul jersey number 0. That's your first personal foul. First row zero. Jersey number 13, Sevilla, Lloret Derecho, Sablay. Foul on jersey number 13. That's your first personal foul. Substitution rep. Jersey number 13, Sevilla out. Jersey number 3 in. Substitution rep.
Uy, ang laki mo!
Viernes out, Sevilla in. 3 minutes time remaining. Jersey number 6, open. Donald Downs, last touch, jersey number 3. Garcia nagmamadali ko sa first net, 2 points.
Walang
Jersey
bantay.
number 29. Sario looking for receiver. Turtle to shoot. Sablay, defense.
Si Diboy hindi pinap...
Jersey number 28, Garcia.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds. 2 minutes time remaining. Jersey number 3, Pastor Sario. 3, Sablay.
Tira mo.
Jersey number 3, Lucky Sablay. Rebound Sevilla, Pastor. Sevilla using the body. Sablay. Rebound by Puroy. Here comes Jersey number
Puroy.
29. Jersey number 29.
Nagtagari na mag-jubeng.
Sevilla moving Junior Sablay. Jersey number 12, back Sablay.
EJ!
Exactly 1 minute time remaining. Kapitan, ball down. 57.
Dito siya. Dito. Looban po yan. Looban po siya.
Looban.
Opo. Oh. Oh.
Centro.
Nagbibidyo ako.
50 seconds time remaining. 50 seconds. Beginning para sa ating second period with time remaining 50 seconds.
50 seconds na lang. Oh, pakalat. Ay, pakalat. Si ano pala sa orak. Ayail.
One minute fire doon.
Yay!
Sara. Sabi niya, Garcia, paso Viernes, ginagbalang maliit, ba't sa foul. Foul in jersey number 3. That's your second personal foul. Penalty. 44 seconds time remaining. First throw is good. Second throw jumpers ready. Substitution ulit. Jersey number 3 out. Di Guzman in. Sario, Pastor.
Tolls na.
1 seconds. Tapi ka ng bola.
Sayang manal.
30 seconds.
Okay lang yung board eh.
We have acknowledged the presence of Mayor Benson Ventimilla. Jersey number 29.
Ay!
And that's the end of our second period. Okay, nagsindagin para sa ating third period. Change court. Looban basketball. Sario looking for receiver.
Bola!
Jersey number 13, Sevilla. Sevilla puts up to Sablay sa kanya pa rin. Put back in the basket is good. Warning on jersey number 12 for delaying the game.
Sino yun? Number 12. Ay, sa bali pa panan.
Sevilla. Pass to jersey number 1. Pass inside. Sablay. Rebound by Sevilla. But there's a foul. A foul on jersey number 18. That's your first personal foul. Substitution left. Jersey number 18 now. Diabes in.
Asan yung ano nila yung court?
Bola pa, bola, bola nyo!
7 minutes and 30 seconds. Sevilla derecho using the board. 2 points. Jersey number 12. Here comes Sario. Sario fires.
Wala na.
Yarnes Pastor. Sevilla to jersey number 1. Nakatilan. Here comes jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Derecho.
Ay, nano. Mas sakit nun. Eh.
Foul jersey number 16.
6 yun? 60 ka no? 60?
6.
Masakit. Masakit yata yun, Raven. Nahilo.
Jersey number 12, Sablay. Katikan ang bola, rebound by Diabes. Pass to Sevilla. Pass to Diabes. Diabes back to Sevilla.
Bigyan mo kay Ramben.
3 seconds violation.
Ibigay mo kay Ramben ko na violation mo ito.
Hoy, bola!
Sario, pass to Sevilla. Sevilla ngayon, Sevilla derecho.
Ay!
Rebound by jersey number 12. Put back in the basket. Jersey number 6.
Ramben!
Pass to 14 to shoot. Ball down. Looban basketball.
Hoy, bola, bola!
Boy, bola, bola!
Sario looking for receiver. Pass to jersey number 3.
Ay, tangik!
Jersey number
Gawain niya
11.
ganon.
Pass to Sevilla.
Bakit ganon ang gawain mo, Edi Boy?
Diabes.
Oh!
Sablay.
Ramben!
Jersey number 2. Gonzalez. Pass to jersey number 29. And the basket is good. Time out.
Pasko!
Ayun o, 24-23.
4 minutes exactly.
Hindi lang kadupa eh, 4 minutes. Third.
Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, pass to Sevilla, 14 to shoot. Jersey number 1, back to Sevilla, 10 seconds to shoot. Sablay.
EJ, diretso.
Kailangan Sario, dire-diretso. Nabitawan ang bola. Bola down.
Bola. Sentro.
Huwag niyong gamitin muna. Galitan.
Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 3. Bola down. Three minutes time remaining.
Boy, sakit na. Baba kayo dyan. Baba.
Jersey number 6, Simones. The Guzman pass to
Sario.
Sario. Pass to jersey number 13, Noku Sablay. Garcia ngayon. Garcia na tabigan. Bigam Sario. Lodo Sablay. Rebound jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, pass to Viernes. Viernes inside the play, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 23. 28 rather. Two shots para kay Viernes.
Si Darwin na lang. Oy.
Uy, Darwin.
EJ, nandiyan ka?
Second row. Sablay.
Diretso.
Jersey number 12, pass to Sario. Sario step back to win. Sablay. Foul jersey number 12. That's your third personal foul. Substitution red. Jersey number 13 out. Jersey number 20, Saura in.
Ilan na si Reben, foul niya? Wala kayo.
2 minutes time remaining. Sevilla pass inside. Sablay. Rebound by Garcia. Pass to Viernes to Sevilla. Sablay.
Ilan sila?
Jumbo.
Substitution.
Jersey number 12 out. Sevilla in. Sevilla pass to Viernes. Viernes 2 points. Saura pass to Sevilla. Sevilla fires Sablay. Here comes Viernes. Viernes goes to the snare, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 20. That's your first personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution red, jersey number 18 out. Jersey number 0, Kuroy in.
Lalay nga, barata chicks mo.
First row Sablay. Second row jumpers ready. 1 minute and 20 seconds time remaining. Net counted.
Alto! Nieta ka. Hoy!
Hindi, boy.
Uy, natutulog.
Jersey number 13. Sevilla. Sevilla using the body. Sablay. Rebound jersey number 12, Viernes to the net 58. 1 minute time remaining.
Oh, Palman.
Foul on jersey number 38. Substitution red, jersey number 13 out, Ventimiglia in.
Ikaw, Jaude.
Ang tigas ng ulo mo. Gawitan. Gawitan. Uy, yakin na! Tira namin!
Ventimiglia, 5.
Sayang ba?
Jersey number 6, Sevilla, 40 seconds.
Ang galing mo. Ang galing mo.
Jersey number 29. Sario, pass to Ventimiglia. Ventimiglia back to Sario. 30 seconds.
Paul daw yun.
Viernes. 20 seconds. Garcia, pass to jersey number 1. Sablay. Jersey number 20. 10 seconds. 2 points para Sario.
Hindi ka lalabas ito. Huwag ka naman unod ng alamilyo. Agawin mo.
Well, talagang buti na katutupagan mo.
Agawin mo.
Talagang bulat ito.
Mal nakadita. Bayan mo. Mo yan ay alas dito.
Wala, kayo nyo.
Yeah.
Jersey number 3.
Kabila mo ito eh. Tira.
Pass to Ventimiglia. Kickball violation.
Rapid, rapid.
Jersey number 1, pass to Garcia. Garcia de derecho, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 0, Puroy. That's your second personal foul, first team foul.
Puroy pala.
Viernes, pass to Garcia, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 0, that's your third personal foul.
Hoy, wag mo ubusin. Graduate ka.
Two shots para kay Garcia. First row is good, second row jumpers ready.
Mamaya, baka hindi ko
Jersey number
mag-videoan.
28, Garcia. Kapitan ng bola, rebound by Sario. 3 points
Sayang.
7 minutes and 30 seconds.
Sayang manan, 2 points.
Sevilla, pass to jersey number 1. Pagkakay ng 3, in and out. Put back para kay jersey number 12, 2 points.
Nilawas mo na?
Sario, Sablay, rebound jersey number 1. That goes a foul. Foul on jersey number 29. Holding foul. That's your second personal foul. Third team foul. Jersey number 6.
Ano, walang bantay.
Another 2 points para kay Sevilla. Jersey number 29, pass to Ventimiglia. Ventimiglia!
Grabe ah.
3-point shooter yan eh. Shoot.
Jersey number 12. Blocked by Sario. Jersey number 1, 2 points.
Uy, may points na si Gian ah, sa wakas.
Jersey number 29, Sario. Substitution rep.
Bakit nagpapasok kayo walang tao?
Sara out. Prada in.
Walang tao doon, EJ. Hindi mo na lang sinot.
Jersey number 1, plus jersey number 10.
Bola.
Foul jersey number. That's your third personal foul. Running for penalty. Time out, Maluban.
Kuya, oras daw.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 33 seconds.
Fourth quarter na yon.
Mario, pasok ka.
First throw, Sablay.
Alamilio, tip up next.
First, second throw is good. Sario.
Abali man nakalat.
Blarnes one, lays up, 2 points.
Huwag kasi magpasa agad.
Jersey number 29, Sablay.
Oh, wala na, out of bounds.
Bola down, Sebo. Four minutes exactly. Foul in jersey number 6. That's your second personal foul. First foul. Sablay. Here comes Garcia. Garcia lays up. Dinalo pa Sablay. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 13. Sevilla.
Ay, sus!
Sablay. Good back Sablay pa rin. Jersey number 1. Pastor Viernes. Vice. Sario.
Sino nag-go, Bob? Pambira naman yun.
Poroy. Pass to jersey number 29. To Ventimiglia. Back to Sario. Sario fires. Sablay.
Sayang! Dami nyo sayang.
Jersey number 6. Pass to Viernes. Lays up 2 points.
Sana all.
3 minutes time remaining.
Bola naman, yan ang pay. Nangyari? Uy!
Jersey number 1 out. Radam in.
Uy, Radam!
Bigas lang in. Ramil out. Jersey number 3 in.
Laro-laro na lang daw. Tao-tao.
Viernes out. Sevilla in. Dami nyo. Pili mo nyo yata lahat.
Ay!
Garcia. Guzman yun. Pass to Sario. Sario pass to Guzman.
Ay!
Guzman matabigan. Here comes Jonathan. Tabigan ang bola. Rebound by Guzman. Pass to Rebound by Sevilla. Natabigan. Rebound Sevilla. Nagmamadali. Pass to jersey number 2.
Makapakatawa kayo.
But there's a foul. Fouling jersey number 15, Sevilla. That's your second personal foul. Penalty.
Hoy, Radam, mag-shoot ka.
Substitution red. Sevilla out, Ventimiglia in.
Radam!
First throw is good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Kami mo fans Radam. Second throw, supply. Patingin ang bola sa kanyang kanan, Pastor Garcia. Pastor Radam, Blue supply. Last few minutes. Jersey number 3.
Ay, si Parker.
Loaded, but there's a foul.
Hoy, may foul pa.
Foul on jersey number 12. Substitution red. Jersey number 29 out. Jersey number 12 out. Jersey number 20 in. Jersey number 3 in.
Wala na. Galing ni Parker, ah.
First round is good. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Time remaining. Second round is good. 2 out of 2. Na-perfect mo. Sevilla. Foul jersey number 18. That's your first personal foul. Penalty.
46-35 score. Yan,
First throw, supply. Second throw, jumpers ready. 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Si Radam, pag-shootin nyo.
Hindi mo na lang
Second throw is good.
Kaya mo yan, Eddie Boy.
Sara Pasio. Jersey number 3 na nabigan ng Sevilla. Si Peter Mesa. Doran Bam. One minute 30 seconds.
Parker, baba.
Saura. Jersey number 3 supply. Tapigan ang bola. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Sevilla reverse. Layup is good. Jersey number 3.
Si Ramben, pasaan mo. Ramben.
Pass to Ventimiglia. But there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 28. That's your fourth personal foul.
Graduate na rin.
Third team foul. 3 shots para kay Ventimiglia. Good.
3 shots daw, Ramben.
Second throw.
Oo,
Second throw
galing.
is good. Mapuputek ka ni Ventimiglia. Last throw. Supply. 1 minute time remaining.
Baba. 39 yun. Dapat.
Hindi sila lumabas.
Ay, hindi.
Bilasa na lang kasi.
Ayun, hindi pwede.
Saura.
Sige, boy.
Supply. Rebound by Sevilla, 50 seconds. Sevilla supply, rebound by Radam. Pass to Sevilla, 2 points. 30 seconds.
Bisa yun na.
Ay, magpapaul ka ano?
30 seconds. Jersey number 18, Sablay.
Ay, patira niya.
Sablay. 15 seconds. Sevilla, 2 points. 10 seconds.
I-shoot mo na, di ba?
With that fan of power, volley player shake hands.
Oy, shake hands! Uy, sana all balato. Balato daw, balato.